And the interesting thing about those teams is when you join one, they usually let you start freely. Generally speaking, yes, you have a defined role, but it's not yet clear which part you'll take ownership of or which part you'll contribute to the most. So in those moments, I always think to myself, what happens if I'm not here? Would the team fall apart? Or if I stop working, would our product slow down? For example, with AI in Flowrite context, when you're using it, if it makes you wait even 10 seconds, you leave. Because patience doesn't exist on the internet. None at all. That's the space I tend to focus on. I naturally drift towards solving those kinds of problems. Things like subscription services or payment systems, they already work. Those problems are solved. You don't really need to reinvent anything there. But with Gen AI, making it fast enough, delivering everything to you within milliseconds, that's an engineering challenge. And that's what excites me.